One day you're trying this diet, the next week you're trying another diet, this week you're trying this workout, next week you're trying another workout. Nothing is routine for you, right? You keep trying one thing after another. And as we know with social media, there's always a trendy something, a trendy workout, a trendy diet, whatever it's gonna be. And if you keep jumping from diet to diet, plan to plan, with all this misinformation, you're never gonna reach your goals. You may lose a little bit of weight here and there, but then you gain it right back. Because again, we're not changing our mindset. We're not really changing habits. Changing your habits is gonna be key in sticking to your goals. Not the next fad diet, not the next exercise routine, whatever it may be. It's gonna be you changing that mindset and changing those daily habits. So you know that you have a trigger that when you get stressed or when you're bored at home and you have junk food in the house, you're more than likely to grab that because you're stressed or bored, then you're not gonna kill that habit. The only way to kill that habit is say, okay, I have to keep the junk food out of the house because I know I'm gonna get stressed, I know I'm probably get bored, so the only solution is for me to get the junk food out of the house. So nutritionally, that could be something that works for you versus saying I'm gonna do a keto diet or the Atkins diet. It's gonna be more just making those small changes day to day. If you know you're a person that loves to drink soda, drink maybe 3 or 4 a day, then you say, okay, how can I reduce my soda intake? Maybe it's because I have it in the house, and again, I have easy access to it. So what I'm gonna do is only drink soda when I go out to eat. So that way you decrease the sugar intake you're taking in on a weekly basis. So it's about making those small changes here and there. Now when it comes to exercise, when it comes to misinformation there, a lot of people tell you you have to do it this way, you have to do it that way in order to look like me or in order to reach that particular goal, right? And this is where it kind of goes back to the aesthetics. So a lot of people are pushing you to look more at the aesthetics, what you see in the mirror, which is fine. I don't mind the aesthetics. There's nothing wrong with that. Want to look nice in a bathing suit, want to look nice in the mirror, whatever it may be. Want to look nice with your shirt off, whatever it is. That's fine by me. But we cannot make that the top priority. It cannot be, because if that's your top priority, then you're more than likely to quit when you don't see those changes, when you don't see that scale change, when you don't see the cuts coming into the arms or see the butt growing or things like that. If you don't see those physical things, then you're more than likely to quit. But if you change your attitude, change your mindset and say, hey, look, I was on the couch, I was doing nothing, I was sedentary in my job, to now doing 3 days a week for 20 or 30 minutes a day. So that's a plus. That is progress. Another thing, your energy levels are better. You're sleeping better. You're stronger. Your stamina is up. You're able to walk further without getting tired. You can climb more flights of stairs. You can play with the kids more without getting tired. So look at all of those. Look at the progress that you're making from that standpoint versus just in the mirror or how you look physically, right? So that's what we got to really focus on is, again, habit, mindset change, and also just small progress over time, taking those small steps, reaching those small goals to reach that ultimate goal in the long run.